Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I'm also here to invite you to an open invite from my new group that I created, Sophisticated Ladies. As you may have saw on Friday, we did a premiere of our group. And today, all of the members, we are inviting you to our first annual, this will be every year, our end of the summer all-white party 20. Now, because of the virus and the pandemic that's going on, we can't go to our friends, all-white party. So I figured we'll do an all-white party tablescape. Now, this is not for a wedding or a reception. It's to just try to enjoy the end of the summer. Here is the information. The title of your video is going to be called The End of the Summer All White Party 20. We're going to bring out all our white dishes. You can design it on your table, outside, on the bar cart, wherever you choose to display all your beautiful dishes. The hashtag will be the same, The End of the Summer All White Party 20. And the rules are to mention the Sophisticated Ladies Club and have all of our links in your description box and be subscribed to all the channels. All the information will be down below in this video. The host, of course, is the Sophisticated Lady Club members, and the time is going to be 11 a.m. Now, make sure when you schedule it for 11 a.m., you hit that time zone and you do the New York Eastern Standard Time zone. That way, everything pops up all at the same time. And the date is August the 8th, 2020. Okay. Now, we did a little additive to the all white. You can add one pop of color to your table design or, your bar cart or wherever you're going to display all your white dishes. The twist, we would like to know what is the end of your summer plans due to the crisis that we are in. I know a lot of us can't travel. Do you just have plans to stay at home and do something with the family in the back? Let us know in your video. Food and drink is optional, and we would like for you to keep your video no more than 5 to 6 minutes. That way everyone can move down the playlist and be able to watch everybody's videos. And we also ask that there's no DIYs in the video. If you're going to do any type of DIYs, floor arrangements or so forth, coasters, whatever, to do that in a separate video. That way you're getting your views and your watch time for that video by itself. And we all like to thank you for watching our premiere videos on all of our channels. And I want to say, we started this group a couple weeks ago. I've had this group, the name of the Sophisticated Ladies, for several years. I created it here where I live down in North Carolina with a group of ladies in my area, and I just changed the concept and brought it over to YouTube. And I want to just give a shout out to SimplyDevine at 70, Miss Marsha, Tammy Thompson-TVMG, Miss Tammy, It's Just Me, Robin, Miss Robin, Love My Babies Forever, Miss Tamara, and Levels of Styles with Sandra, Miss Sandra, and Saving with Mrs Vee, Miss Veronica. They are my lovely hostess and the members of the Sophisticated Ladies. So I cannot wait to see what y'all pull off in your lovely tablescapes, your outdoor dining, whatever you choose to do. And with that being said, make sure to come over and join and hit the subscribe button for the Sophisticated Ladies Club, and make sure to subscribe to all the lovely ladies that I mentioned and my channel as well. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And as I always say, y'all stay blessed until the next open invite. Get ready, y'all, because August is coming, and I have some fabulous open invites for y'all for the month of August and going forward. I've been working hard on my channel, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed. I'm almost at my 1K, and I am not too far from my 4,000 watch hours. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all stay blessed.